Ayan po. O, sige po. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ring Manalbeken concert. I want to share with you what we watch. So, mag-enjoy po sana. Thank you, thank you. Bye. Ito po, nasa line na ako. Medyo late tayo. 7:20 na yata. So, yung mga kasama namin nandun na sa... Sabay-sabay kaming papasok ng apat. So, ayun na po sina Miles, Nick, and Ila. Miles, manayatan na itang... Our tickets are with Mama Rose.
Where's my mom?
Ayan na po kami. Dini kaming upper center. Wow.
Nainip na kami. Nainip na kami.
We're here. We're waiting. Great sauce. Amazing. Come with us. Welcome to our universe. Join us. Come over. Fun begins. We're ready. It's time. So glad you're here. Step inside. Let's get started. Don't be silent. Come join us. Let's go. Join the fun. Here in the universe.
Magiguli-guli sa kuko.
job.
Jimmy, mabuhay! Hi, Temecula, I'm alive! What's up, everybody? It's What's up, Temecula? I'm Colette. Hi, Temecula. I'm Stacy. Temecula, I'm Sheena. Hi, everyone. I'm Gwen. Hi, everyone. It's Rico. What's up? It's Joanna. Grabe, right? Yeah, I don't know. It's crazy right now. You know, I heard that this is the first show we ever sold out. Before we even started the world tour. I love you, Mika! Yeah, so, you know what? Let's have fun tonight and let's just be away from all the negativity around us right now. And let's just sing and dance the night away. Are you ready for the next song? So Blooms, tara na as we welcome you to our Beanieverse.
about, those two songs speaks about being always there for each other. You know, yung promise namin, Blooms, walo hanggang dulo. Yes, promise namin na hindi namin kayo iwan, Blooms. Matagal pa tayo magsasama. May mga nakikita kasi kaming, mga tweets na parang worried kayo na baka mawala na yung bini. Nope! Nope, Blooms! We will stay! We're there until the end! And we will promise to always be here with you. And of course, promise nyo din sana na samahan nyo kami sa journey namin. Pwede ba yan?
Yes, thank you so much, Blooms. We're so happy to hear that. At least,
Sure, may assurance.
may words of affirmation na kayo na forever na talaga tayo. Thank you, Blooms!
Yes, and not just that, but through the good and the bad days, we promise we'll try to stay positive. And sana kayo din, let's all try our best to remain positive and let go of all the negativity. And alam niyo girls, coincidentally, this city, Temecula, means Valley of the Sun. Ang galing niyo ba? And it shows how after darkness, the sun will rise. So, even if there are times now maybe you feel lost or you feel like you're not in the right path, but just have to trust the process and always know that life is not a race and you are where you're supposed to be.
partner. Alam bang bakit?
Bakit?
Because being with you, Blooms, is always a cherry on top experience. And that's why I always blink twice. Hindi ko kaya. I always blink twice. Kasi chinecheck ko talaga kung totoo kayo. Kasi diba lagi nang ginujoke ko as mga iba dito. Sobrang dami talaga natin. So, thankful kami na dumadami na yung Blooms namin. Of course, nandito kami sa ibang bansa. Hindi talaga namin nakalain. Na marami palang kilalang dito.
Ang galing mo dyan, Ate Colette. Ate kasi, yes, this is our third show in the row. Like, we are performing 3 consecutive nights and this is our 3rd night. Dahil sa energy nyo, nawawala talaga yung pagod po namin. Alam ni Blooms? And alam ni Blooms, super saya kasi wala. First time namin talaga magkaroon ng bus tour. Bus tour talaga. Like, parang nakatira lang talaga kami sa bus. Parang kami mga gagamba na nakatira sa mga bahay-bahay namin. And feeling ko, super sa experience siya kasi first time din namin, yung ganong experience. And parang first ever na group din, nakapag-tour. So we are so grateful na binigyan kami ng chance. Na may bus, na opportunity.
Yes, na may bus.
And feeling ko mas naging stronger talaga yung relationship namin. Kasi, as you all know, magkakatira lang, hindi na kami nakatira sa isang bahay. So, ang saya na parang nagkaroon ulit kami ng gano'n. Feeling namin, nasa Beanie House ulit kami.
Kung pwede lang namin kayo i-tour sa bus na.
Abangan.
Meron, ipopost na. Na-post na? Na-post na ba? Yung teaser.
Hindi pa teaser.
Hindi, kasi busog na busog ang Bloom sa content from Beanie. Ang dami kasi. Imagine yung may Beanie versus tayo. Tapos pag natin may homecoming tayo. Ang dami. Masaya ba kayo, Blooms?
Grabe, we're discovering a lot about each other on this world tour talaga, no, girls? Yes! Some we cannot even tell you kasi censored. So, for now, this
keep on adding a new move, and the player who cannot follow the pattern anymore will lose. So, kung mahirap siyang mag-gets dance, kaya feeling ko kailangan natin siyang gawin.
Or you know what? Wait lang. I still have something to say. Kasi you're ano eh. So very well said, Joanna. Now you have an answer if someone will ask you, do you guys know Shaggedy Shaggedy Shamble po?
You ain't my business, but you ain't second to me. You know my before they do, but I'm not too free. Rotate that body, then touch your feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo. Now do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance. Ako sa'yo na di mo kayo sisitin ko pa ako makagaya ka sa naisusunod ka, but I bet you can't dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Pop from rock, then drop, roll, pick on hands to the right, and then to the right. Rotate the body. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, 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 shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo. Do my, now do my dance, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance. Jump, she stopped and clap, she stopped and clap and jump. I bet you can't keep up, nah, I bet you can't keep up. I rock, she rock and snap the lead. I bet you won't be me, nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me. Shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo, shaggedy, shaggedy, shabbo. Do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
Yeah, and that was our latest single, Shaggedy. Did you guys like it? Dapat lang, hirap eh. Well, kung alam niyo lang, sobrang active namin. We repost every covers you do, so we would love to see more entries from you, Blooms, and we promise na papansin namin yan. And syempre, sobrang grateful. Sorry, nagawa niya siya, hindi na din. Sobrang grateful din namin kasi syempre napapalaganap natin yung Filipino music and culture kung saan-saan mang parte sa mundo. So, thank you so much, Blooms. And speaking of Blooms, Blooms! Blooms? Tara, picture! Tara, picture tayo. Okay. Say Dini after 3, ah. Isang malakas na Bini. 1, 2, 3! Please stand up, everyone. Dadalhin namin ang huhu na yan sa next album. Alam mo yung ubo na ba?
Yeah. Blooms, maraming salamat for coming tonight. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat for bringing your family and friends here. And tonight is very special because we honor a special man in our lives, our father. So happy Father's Day to all fathers out there! ko for being here. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa lahat ng hard work po and sacrifice ko po for sa mga families niyo. And tonight, I want you all to close your eyes and picture yung mga father niyo and yung mga tumatayong tatay niyo while we are singing this song. Para sa inyo.
Don't make us cry.
Lagi na lang tuliro, kakaisip kung paano ba to. Hindi na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Ilang beses nang nasaktan, nasugatan, at huli ka pa bang nalaban? Hanggang kailan mo kaya sasabagan? Bilangin ay Sa'kin ka magpahinga. Huwag kang susubong magpanalo. Alam mo magsubok na Tibayan ang puso na kasanaan ko. Kumilalaan mo Ano man ang pagdaanan, huwag mong kalimutan. Hindi ka iiwan, di papabayaan na aasahan. Maniwala lang sa sarili, iwasang maging negatibo palagi. Mga duda'y bakalan, wala nang pasangin naman. Huwag kang pangamba, hindi ka nag-iisa. Huwag ka nang mag-alala, dadamayan kita. Sa oras ng kalungkutan, hindi kita bibitawan. Sa'kin ka magpahinga.
found your new faces. Now I know where my place is. And the wind was telling me no. Pushed my heart to just go. Now for sure I know. You found something new. Through the dark nights, the highlights from my last flight as we take off. Maraming salamat po, Blooms. Daghang salamat sa inyo. Agyamanat. Thank you, Team Bloom USA! Thank you! And to support that, thank you all for coming out tonight. We want to say thank you also as well to Jamie. Thank you for sharing your songs with our Blooms. And special shout out to our vocal producer, Greg Schilling, and their A&R Andrea Torsha, who are in the audience right now. Yes, also Gigi Ramirez is here, who wrote Cherry on top. Thank you. Congratulations on your wedding. Just get married. And of course, we would like to thank the amazing team. We have AEG, Brian, Zarina, Diana, Rebecca, and Carlo. Thank you so much. All right, to make you love 3 more shows to go in our Believers World Tour. So please let's end this night with memories you will keep forever. At wag muna kayong umuwi. Sa iyong tabi, dito mo nagawa ating gabing kahapon. Sa iyong ngiti
na ang araw ng ika'y muling nag-uusap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y bigla nang di mapagkaling. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit ba hanggang huli? Walking with you on the sun, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba ito nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinanama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Buong darama sumasaya, magmula nakita ka, nawawala ng pangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko, sa islang pantropiko. Violence in my white sand, guess if I'm in love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. Could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Di ba mo talagang pinagdayan? Kasi para bang hindi naman kilig. Magkabong minto, kumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Follow your footprints in the sand, walking with you in the sun. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat darama sumasaya, magmumula nakita ka, nawawala ng pangamba, pag ika'y kapit na. Feeling feels like summer with you, parang isang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa isang pantropiko.
Here's the whole gang. We just took pictures. Did you like it, Jacob? Did you like the show? I don't even know who they are. Everybody likes me. We were shouting Aya and I got to touch 5 of them. Aya and
Your phone was on the screen.
Let me see.
how do you know it was my phone?
Let me see. At the very front.
Where's the videos?
I can't believe they let that in.
When they were... Ay, ni po, we're in the car. Ay, car ba to? On our way to Rose House to drop some things. So, tapos na po yung concert. Napagod po ako, hindi na ako makalakad. So, hindi po ako umupo because I went down all from where we were all the way down to the floor to the 5th row. So, I got a good seat. Tapos hindi na po ako halos naupo kasi puro na video. And then, on the last song, nandun ako mismo sa harapan. So, but I was not able to touch them when they went down kasi medyo malayo, hindi po ako nakalapit. But with their last song, I was right in front of them. But I could not shout out because I don't know their names. I don't know who is in front of me. So all I can do is wave, but I can shout like before, like I'll say, let's say, Sharon. I cannot. I don't know who's right in front of me. So, embarrassing. Hindi ko na makatakas kasi talaga sila kilala. But the names that I heard most were Aya and I forgot the name. Starts with an S, but not Sheena. I forgot. But Aya, I remember everybody shouting, Aya, okay. Hindi po na kami kang Rose. Di na lang kami sagli. Ating kami dinarapan pong pinikap. It's already what time, Mana? 11. There's Jordan. This is Jordan's house. May paggal ko na ako milakad but then na ako ata. So I'm just ending up the video. It was a fun concert. Did you like it, Ron? Masaya. Klino-klok. Ngayon rin bastis ko papatenda ko. So magpainawa ko mo tsaka kami. And then we're on our way. We still have almost an hour drive to reach the house. Ayan po. O, sige po. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ring Manalbecan concert. I want to share with you what we watch. So, mag-enjoy po sana. Thank you. Bye.